DaceCrown specialise and excel in design, manufacture, installation of equipment, supporting a variety of fast-paced industries. We make high-quality products for the drink industry. Our product range goes from medical components, fabricated structures, motorsport parts, a wide variety. As a company and as an individual really, we wanted to do our bit to reduce our carbon footprint. Everyone doesn't really know what the first steps are, what steps you need to take to get to that point. I found out the programme, got in touch with Aston University. The programme itself involves a free energy assessment where a representative of Aston University will come out, look around the place, give us recommendations. That was the perfect first step to get us on the road to reduce our footprint. Ourselves, we had 5 different recommendations. The lighting was halogen and it was really affecting our inspection and quality side. We had portable heaters from the recommendations for the central heating. It'd become a no-brainer to get the heating installed, so it helped us on a health and safety point as well as a carbon footprint. By having the support and having the grant from the Net Zero programme, we've managed to accelerate our growth plans. We've already got 1 apprentice and we've managed to take on a 2nd apprentice sooner than expected. We've managed to install a new machine as well as keeping the lighting on and the heating on with the same energy use. We went for 2 recommendations and we're still seeing a saving, but there was no pressure to go through any of them 5 savings. It was just a nice thing to see what you could be doing and the payback and the cost implementation.